District Governor, ladies and gentlemen, never in my life have I felt so very heavy in my heart as of today, as I rise to the occasion to speak of 13 gems our organization has lost since our last year's district convention, a loss never to be replaced. As we convene here tonight, in the spirit of camaraderie and shared endeavor, at our cherished annual district convention, we find ourselves at a juncture of reflection and remembrance. Today, we stand as custodians of memories, guardians of legacies left by those who walked this journey with us, but have since crossed the threshold into the eternal. In the fleeting tapestry of life, each moment is a delicate thread, intertwining the essence of our being, the fabric of the universe. The lives we celebrate today, those 13 resplendent stars of our constellation, have in their unique ways illuminated the path we tread. In wake of the departure, we are reminded of the transient nature of existence, the ephemeral quality that renders each encounter precious, each connection profound. No doubt, death is an absolute certainty, while life is not. Yet, the human beings that we are keep our minds distanced from this reality, and when the day dawns, carrying the sad news of our known ones, we express shock, R.I.P. or Om Shanti. As we reflect on the lives of the 13 esteemed members, let us hold dear the lessons they have imparted, the stories replete with achievements, challenges overcome, and joys shared, which will surely enrich our lives. The 13 of them, our members, dear members, shuffled off their mortal coils when we needed them the most. Their families lost them. We lions lost them. Our human society lost them. May I now go to the list of our members who have passed away. First slide, please. From the Lions Club of Panja, we lost Lion Chidananda, hailing from a very famous Bilamale family, known for agricultural and farming. Chidananda, though has not taken any positions in the club level, but he will be always remembered for his generosity of donating 6 cents of land for Panja Club building under construction. Our district and my home club, the Lions Club of Mangalore, lost a Lion stalwart. Before that, as I read about the club members of our district or their particular club, you are requested to stand, members of the club, and for the PDGs, maybe the entire district can rise from their seats. Our district and my home club, the Lions Club of Mangalore, lost a Lion stalwart, Professor B. Ramdas Rai, our first district governor of multiple District 317D, and the council chairman of the largest multiple, an orator par excellence. Dr. Ramdas Rai was a perfect lion who breathed Lionism day in and day out. My mentor in Lionism, Ramdas, always dreamt of becoming an international director. But with his untimely demise, that dream remained as a dream. Lions Club, Ashok Nagar. Lost an active member, Lion M.S. Rao. A journalist by profession, Rao was a philanthropist. Earlier to joining Lions Ashok Nagar, Rao was also the president of Lions Club in our district. Lions Club Sulya lost an active and charming lion, Jain Shetty, president in the year 2004-5. Jain Shetty was also the commandant of Home Guards and was a recipient of the Chief Minister's Gold Medal for his meritorious service to the Home Guards. Lions Club of Mangalore Highland lost Pavana J. Shetty, wife of the Charter President Jeevan Das Shetty. Active and gracious Pavanakka was a very much respected lion lady of our district. Hassan Hoysala lost a young dynamic past president, Dr. H.C. Girish, in a tragic road accident. A professor of agricultural college in Hassan, Girish has helped many students in their PG research work. He was the president in the year 2021-22. Lions Club Puttur lost a senior member, Prakash Kumar Jain. Though not in the forefront, Prakash was always a great donor to the club from the background. A special feature of Prakash, I am told, is he was always the first to pay the club dues every year. Our district and Lions Club Mangalore Kadri Hills lost a member who was the pride of Mangalore, P. Jairam Bhatt, former CEO and Managing Director of Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank, through Jairam Bhatt, was the financial backbone of our district projects and the district directory year after year. Jairam Bhatt was dignity personified. Being a regular morning walker at the Kadri Park, he joined the group of like-minded walkers and became the charter member of the Lions Club of Kadri Hills in 2002. Jairam Bhatt walked to a world never to return. Lions Club Periyapatna lost its charter member, Krishna Gowda. A business tycoon, Krishna Gowda was the managing director of Nandini Group of Concerns. He was the president of the Okkaligara Sangha. Lions Club Katipalla Krishnapura lost their young active member Vasudev. He was the manager of the CDU unit at the MRPL. He was known for his great social service. The entire Coorg district and Lions Club of Napoklu in particular lost a thorough gentleman, past president and past region chairman, Dr. B. Bopaya. A soft-spoken, always smartly dressed, Dr. Bopaya's presence will always be missed, but his memories will be always cherished. Our governor's home club, the Lions Club of Kinigoli, lost a very active past president, Lion Ignatius D'Souza. His passion to Lionism was so much that he used to walk 5 kilometers to attend a club meeting. Ignatius D'Souza was our Mendonza was a governor's Melvin's sponsor to Lionism. But the sad part is that today, at Melvin's most precious moment as DG, Ignatius is not with us, for he passed away just a few days back. but I'm sure his blessings are always with Melvin. A special quality of Ignatius was that he could recite the prayer and flag salutation by heart. Lions Club of Mudubidri lost their member Rajendra Narayan Tonse, who was a banker and he had joined the club a few years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, all that I would like to say is, let us carry forward the light of those we honor today, allowing their memory to kindle with us as a flame of hope, compassion, and resolve. May we strive to emulate the virtues, to live with the generosity of spirit that transcends the confines of our own existence. We Lions share the bereavement and grief of the families of these outstanding lions.
In the meantime, club presidents kindly come forward and receive the sapling from the district governor. It will be in memory of the lost lion friend that we have. From the necrology team, it's a sapling that will be handed over to the club president of the lion member whom we have no more as presence but will always remain in our hearts as memory. It is also a suggestion that if you could hand it over to the family member of the deceased, it will be really thoughtful, or taken care by the president himself. It is just a suggestion.